start using pandas. To load the pandas package and start working with it, import the package. The community agreed alias for pandas is PD, so loading pandas as PD is assumed standard practice for all of the pandas documentation. I want to store passenger data of the Titanic. For a number of passengers, I know the name, age, and sexuality data. df is equal to PD Okay, fine. To manually store data in a table, create a data frame. When using a Python dictionary of list, the dictionary keys will be used as column header and the values in each list as columns of the data frame. A data frame is a two-dimensional data structure that can store data of different types, including characters, integers, floating values, and more in columns. It is similar to spreadsheet, SQL table, or the data frame in R. The table has 3 columns, each of them with the column label. The column label are respectively name, age, and sex. The column name consists of textual data with each value a string. The column age are numbers and column sex is a textual data. In spreadsheet software, the table representation of our data would look very similar, like the one I show now. I am just interested in working with the data in the column age now. When selecting a single column of a pandas data frame, the result is a pandas series. To select the column, use the column label in between the square bracket. If you are familiar to Python dictionaries, the selection of a single column is very similar to the selection of dictionary values based on the key. You can create a series from scratch as well, like age is equal to PD dot series of a panda series has no column label as it is just a single column of a data frame. A series does have a row column instead of column label. Let's do something with the data frames and also the series. I want to know the maximum age of the passengers. We can do this on the data frame by selecting the age column and applying the max function. You can do this on the series by specifying the series name followed by the max function. As illustrated by the max method, you can do things with a data frame and also with the series. Pandas provides a lot of functionality. Each of them method you can apply to a data frame and also to the series. As methods or functions, do not forget to use parentheses after the function name.